Constant current LED driver market size was $15.62 billion in 2021 and is expected to register a revenue CAGR of 12.9% during the forecast period. Increasing adoption of LED lighting in various lighting applications, rising demand for energy-efficient lighting systems, and advancements of Internet of Things and lighting integration are expected to drive the market revenue growth. In addition, stringent government policies concerned with energy saving and energy efficiency are expected to support industry growth as well as revenue growth of the market. A constant current LED driver is a type of LED power supply that controls current flowing through an LED array to keep desired level of light output constant. It provides accurate output current control irrespective of fluctuations in supply voltage or other operating conditions. Thanks for watching.